Jerwin.
Hi,
Hi,
Kuya
Kuya Jer. Say hi.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday, Kuya. Sancho.
Familiar ba itong place kung nasaan kami? This is where you used to stay with Mikey during your early days at Southridge. So, ito ang napili namin para to help you reminisce yung days mo. Reminisce, right? So, yun lang. And have a great day. Happy birthday!
Enjoy your
Happy-
day!
Happy?
Yes! We love you!
We love you.
Love you!
Say, I love you. Oh,
Yeah.
blow a kiss, blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss.
Sancho, blow a kiss.
Mm.
Bye, Kuya.
Surprise! Hi, Jerwin! Grabe, surprise ka ba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Another milestone! Ay nako, I'm so happy for you dahil achieve mo na naman ang isang bagong chapter ng life. So, ayun na nga, parang hindi ko makalimutan ang aking speech sa'yo. Nagsulat ako ng very light. So, first of all, I thank God for your life. I thank God that I met you because you've inspired me in so many things. Especially sa ating favorite sports, volleyball. So, quick background summary ng aming memories ni Jerwin, ng aming paano kami nagkakilala because we are childhood friends. And Jerwin is so dear to me, so close to me. I've experienced to be taught, to be coached with passion by our teacher Max. So, what I know about teaching is it takes a lot of patience, courage, understanding, and love. And I so honor you, Jerwin, kasi you have all these traits, qualities. You have shown us your students, your co-teachers, and family and friends. And I believe this is your calling, this is your passion, and your purpose. And that's what life is all about. To live a life with a purpose. Kaya, grabe. Grabe, you're one of my dear friends that I really honor because I see God's love in you. You are blessed beyond measure and you are a blessing to all of us. Kaya, arigatou gozaimasu. O, diba? Rhyme? Char. And because it's your birthday, I'm going to replay part of the song na sinayaw natin kung bata tayo. So, eto siya. Ayan, dahil birthday mo napasayaw mo. Ang saya, diba? Sarap mag-reminisce. So, yan po yung sinayaw namin ni Jerwin ng bata kami. We're too sexy. Anyway, I'm so proud of you. Grabe. So, I miss you, I miss our bandings, and I hope na someday, again, we'll spend our time to share each other journeys in life, and I love you, Jer. Continue living your dreams. God bless you, Teacher Max. Live your life to the max. Grabe. Happy birthday. Sana maka-video call kita soon. Always take care of your health. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Erwin, happy birthday. I'm just so happy that we've reached 40. So can you just imagine? 40 na. Back when we were young, we were like just talking about very clueless and not so interesting things. But I think it's just so refreshing to talk about the high school memories that we have. And I think that made our friendship really deeper. Even if we don't talk as much, even if we don't see as much, those memories linger and we always pick up where we left off. So I think one of the things that I'll just wish for your 40th birthday is for you to have the best of health. I hope that you also enjoy your time in Japan, and as much as possible, always take a look at all the things that you've accomplished and bring them forward in the next couple of years, because I'm pretty sure when you look back, you'll always be proud of what you've done and seeing yourself grow after 40. And I'm just so excited that we're still here. We're here to see and enjoy life. And I hope that there will be times that we can still catch up, in our reunions and in even our other connects. So sana just enjoy your 40th birthday. Have a big celebration pagbalik mo dito, and we hope that we can all party all together, lahat ng mga high school batchmates natin. Right? So, up to here na lang. I'll see you. Maybe I'll go to Japan uli and maybe message you again. Right? See you. Happy 40th birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Erwin. Happy 40th birthday. I'm so proud and amazed of everything you've achieved recently. I've always been a fan of your leadership, your confidence, and your determination. Lagi kang willing to give something a go. Kahit na basketball during high school intrams, that's still my favorite memory of you. Natatawa pa rin ako pag naalala ko siya. Anyway, I hope this new decade brings you more adventures, more success, and even more happiness in all aspects of your life. I miss you. I hope to see you soon.
Hi, Bess. Happy birthday. My only wish for you is good health, more happiness, and more blessings. And kung ano man yung prayers mo, yun din ang prayers ko. And you know that I'm always rooting for you. I'm always supporting you. And I'm very thankful for our friendship. Friendship na 27 years ago happened after a volleyball game. And I'm just so happy that we maintain this solid connection, solid friendship that I really appreciate and I'm really thankful for. And at the same time, thank you very much for visiting me here in the United States, kung saan ka nagbakasyon, and a lot of firsts. We have experienced a lot of firsts together before my first airplane ride, ikaw ang kasama ko nung nag-Cebu and nag-Bohol tayo. My first solo travel nung nagpunta ako sa Japan. And now, nung nagpunta ka dito sa US, our first solo trip then, nung nag-Taiwan tayo. So, we've been through a lot and I'm looking forward to many more years sa friendship natin. Alam mo naman na hindi ako masyado mahilig magsalita in front of the camera. So, happy birthday and hope your wishes will come through.
Hi Erwin, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana bumalik ka na soon dito. Miss ka na namin. Gala tayo soon, okay? Bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi Erwin, happy birthday. It's a milestone birthday for all of us this year and isa ka sa mauna. So, I just want to remind you of how proud we are of you, how proud I am of you, because you've achieved your dream of being a teacher like you've always wanted when we were in high school. So, I wish you all the best of health, best in career, best in everything, best in love life. I hope you enjoy your day and God bless.
Erwin, happy birthday! Happy 40th! My goodness. Well, 40 looks good on you. So, hopefully your day is filled with just fun, a lot of laughter, and a lot of cake. Don't worry about the calories today. You deserve to eat a lot of cake. And medyo dahan-dahan sa candle kasi 40 yung candle, nako. Smoke alarm yun, di ba? Pero happy birthday. I hope, we can all see each other. Magka-reunion Angels soon. And yeah, see you in Japan. Hopefully soon. Happy birthday.
Erwin, happy birthday. Congratulations! Ikaw na nag-40 sa ating lahat. Well, through their statement, I know that you are living your life to the max. So, you are always an inspiration. Angels will always be family. See you soon. Bye!
Hi everyone, ako po si Albert. Greetings from the United Kingdom, and I've been friends with Erwin since year 1999, or if not 1998. So we've been friends ever since. So we're talking about like 25 years of friendship. And one thing I can remember about Erwin is yung bulaklak na gumamela. I'm pretty sure he would still laugh about it pag naalala niya. So I just want to greet you, Erwin, a happy birthday, and welcome to the club. So ng mga 40 years old. So anyway, I wish you good health, success, and happiness in life because you deserve it. You are a good person, and God loves you. Happy birthday. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi Jerwin, happy birthday! More birthday to come, so ingat ka palagi sa work mo. I miss you, I love you, enjoy sa birthday, thanks!
Hi Mr. President, this is Miss Lily, wishing you happy 40th birthday. I'm always proud of you guys, most especially you with all your goals, your accomplishments in life. So that's what you need to count, not the numbers, right? So hope all your dreams come true, and with all your skills and talents, I know you can do it, and hope you all the best. And I know I can say it in Japanese, happy birthday. What will I say? Otanjubi omedetou.
Hi bro! Ayan. May pinadala ding message si Mrs. Jane, your high school teacher, para sa iyong birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday, Erwin! It's me, Jane. Can you still remember me? Well, I'm grateful that Stacy considered me to send a birthday message to you. Please know that as your former teacher in ICCS, I am so proud seeing you successful and accomplished in Japan. I am wishing you continued brilliant achievements and happiness not only today but always. Celebrate and enjoy every moment. I hope to see you in Japan when I come back there. Again, happy birthday and I wish you all the best. God bless you and be safe always. Love ya!
Hello, Max. Hello, Ninong Max, you say?
Hello, Ninong Max.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for the genuine friendship that we have shared for more than 20 years since college. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na you are a very generous person, generous of your time, of your talent, of your treasure to the people around you. You're a big blessing. So, ang wish namin sa'yo ni Meggie, smile, ay good health and more happiness, and pati din sa family mo, good health din. So, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninong Max, you say?
Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy birthday again. See you soon. Punta kami dyan soon. Bye. Bye.
Hi Max, happy birthday. Wishing you a year of good health, happiness, and peace. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ninong Max.
Yeah, it's shooting. Okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Uncle Max.
Happy birthday.
Hi Max, happy birthday. Kailan ka uwi? Baka naman, konting eye drops dyan.
Ako na yung Fino.
Dami palang pasalubong.
Did you switch it?
Pa-Stacy Q, ha?
You pa yun.
Okay.
Nagkita-kita ka para greet ka pa. That's how special you are, Kuno.
Yes.
What's my birthday?
Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Max.
Happy birthday. See you soon. Bye-bye. Press stop.
Hi, Erwin. Happy birthday, bro. I call him Big Bro, actually. Kasi when we were in APEC, siya kasi yung only boy doon sa group namin. Plus, he's big pa noon. May mga alias kasi kami sa grupo. Yung group namin, ang pangalan is Six Terrific. Actually, siya din yung nag-name doon sa group na yun. No? So, kasi bukod sa 6 na lang kami natira, magkaka-close, terrific pa daw kami. So, 6 terrific yung aming group chat sa Messenger. Galing, no? So, bukod sa, bakit terrific, no? Kasi, terrific daw kami pagdating sa kakulitan at sa kalokohan. I don't know kung ano pa yung meaning nung iba nun, pero sa akin kasi terrific kami when it comes to kalokohan at kakulitan. So, bro, marami akong pwedeng ikwento about kay bro sa times na ilang taon kaming magkasama sa APEC. Pero baka abutin tayo ng Pasko pag kinuwento ko lahat, di ba bro? Pero I remember one thing, yung sobrang kinulit mo talaga ako, nakausapin ko yung guard doon sa building para magamit mo yung elevator. Kasi, alam niyo na, may gout siya nun. Pero siguro naman wala ka ng gout ngayon, di ba? So, bro, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Nung 40 ako, yan din sinabi ko. Pero ngayon, na I'm 10 years older than you guys, so life begins at 50. But anyway, life begins at any age, bro. Alam mo yan. And I hope to see you once again. Sana sa Japan ulit para i-treat mo ulit ako. So, kasi bitin tayo nun eh, di ba? Parang tayo lang dalawa yung nag-date. No, hindi natin kasama sila Bunso, sila Miles, sila Mile, sila Jean. No? Sana magkaroon tayo ng moment na kami naman yung ipasyal mo sa Japan. Sige, no? So, I wish you, bro, happiness, long life, good health, and syempre, happy life. I miss you and I love you, bro. Alam mo yan. And I'll see you soon. Mama. Bye.
Hi, Be! Happy birthday, Erwin. I hope that you will be healthy, happy with your career, and be successful every day of your life. I miss you, Be! Bye! Happy birthday again!
Welcome to the Big 4-0, where wisdom grows, lines recede just a little, and knees start making sound effects. But with you, there's never a dull moment. Just endless energy, contagious laughter, and a vibe that keeps everyone smiling. You're more than a colleague. You're a brother, a legend, and the human embodiment of fun. Keep spreading the joy, and of course, live life to the max. Happy birthday!
Sir Max was my English teacher. He was so strict back then, but he was so effective that he made me want to be an English teacher as well. That was why I was so happy and so honored to be his co-teacher, and I continued learning from him as his mentee. Siya ang naging mentor ko sa Malayan. And a lot of the things that I'm applying in my classes, even as an admin, came from him. And I'm really thankful that I have him as one of my bestest friends starting in Malayan. So, Sir Max, happy 40th birthday to you. I'm so happy and proud that more students are enjoying the Tatak Max, your students in Japan, because I myself have experienced it. I hope that you can come back home soon so we could bond. But in the meantime, continue enjoying all the things that God has given you because you truly deserve it. So we love you, Sir Max. From me and Dodge, hopefully we can see you soon. Enjoy your day and the rest of the year as a 40-year-old. We love you, Sir Max. See you soon and God bless. Thank you so much for all the memories and the lessons. Mwah!
Happy birthday, big bro. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Hi Sir Max, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi and stay healthy. See you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Max. Wish you all the best and God bless. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you for everything. Sa pagtulong mo sa amin sa high school. And mag-ingat ka palagi. Sir, see you ulit sa Japan.
See you po, sir.
God bless po.
Thank you po.
Hi Sir Max, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon. God bless. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Hi! Sa favorite speaker ko nung interactor ako.
Hello sa favorite speaker ng husband ko.
Hi sa favorite friend ko. Favorite kita.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Erwin.
Ang taas. Hi, friend.
Oh, so we're asked by your sisters to send you a message on your birthday. Alam naman namin hindi ka makakaluwas on your birthday, pero we're here to celebrate you. No? Lahat ng mga ginagawa mo dyan ngayon is your way of helping yourself, your family. Kaya naman so proud of you. And sana ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo at lagi mong tandaan na may mga kaibigan ka, hindi yung mga nasa likod namin, kundi kaming dalawa na nandito sa Pilipinas na naghihintay sa'yo palagi at sumusuporta sa'yo. Madam.
Happy birthday, friend. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Miss ka na namin. And sana makadalaw talaga kami sa'yo dyan. Yun. Happy birthday!
Konting ipon na lang, pupunta kami dyan sa'yo. Happy birthday, Koy. We love you. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi friend! Happy birthday! Welcome to the club! Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo. Isang text ko lang, kahit nasa malayo ka, sagot agad. Huwag kang magsasawa. Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! God bless you more!
Happy birthday, Jill Derwin! We wish you all the best and God bless. We love you!
Hi Jerwin, happy birthday. Alam niyo po, si Jerwin, nang dumating ako sa kanila, halos 4 years old lang siya. Napakabait na bata yan. Napakabait na kuya sa mga kapatid niya. Ang galing-galing bata na yan. Napakapugi pa. Happy birthday, Jerwin. Ngayon na 40 ka na. Sana mag-asawa ka na. Kasi 63 years old na ako. Para malagaan ko pa yung anak mo. Gusto ko pang makita yung anak mo, pugi-pugi mo. Sana makahanap ka ng asawa at magkaanak ka na para maabutan ko pa. Happy birthday, Jerwin. I love you. Bye.
Okay na to. Joke lang. Welcome to the 40s, bro. Happy birthday. You know naman, growing up, I've always considered you as my younger brother. Yung mga events natin, birthdays, trips, and even random things that we did as kids. Sobrang memorable lahat sa akin yon. Nakasama ka. And since tayo lang naman tatlo, yung medyo magkakalapit ng edad, tayong tatlo ni Tina, aminin mo, may time talaga na tayo yung magkakabanding. Insert ko yung picture dito. So, yon. Highlights lang naman nun is yung napakabigat mong kamay sa balikat naming dalawa. Yan, take turns yon. Very good ka doon. Tapos, yung 1992 na event, cotillion practice natin, na tayong tatlo lang may alam nito. Ito yung action mo nun. Kung hindi mo maalala, PM mo ako. Pero kasi ako hindi ko nakalimutan. May trauma pa ako ng very, very slight. Anyway, so yun, balik tayo. So, yung mga events, mga occasions, special occasions, you make sure na may something unique na nangyayari to make it even more special. And even yung wedding namin ni TJ, ikaw yung nag-host, you made it very, very special. And I will always be thankful for that, bro. Pero one thing that really stood out to me was yung song performance mo sa song number mo sa isa sa mga birthday ni nanay na pinerform mo yung I don't wanna miss a thing. Tapos sobrang dami nung tang na nilabas mo. Tapos ending, yung may malaking tang na don't wanna miss a thing. Ganon. Sobrang epic nun. And forever na yun na nakatatak sa utak ko as one of your best performances sa lahat ng mga events natin, sa mga family events natin. And habang lumalaki rin tayo, nag-grow tayo, nag-grow din yung group natin, and we made this solid cousins group, na kahit na nasa Japan ka, andun pa rin yung spirit and puso mo sa grupong ito. And as you turn 40 this year, we all want to let you know how special you are and how lucky we are to have you as our bro. So, happy birthday, and I hope you live life to the max. Yes, branding. Because we don't want you to miss a thing. Yeah, enjoy, and we love you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. We love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Bro! We miss you and we love you! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Jerwin! We love you! Naku, 40 ka na. Sabi nila, life begins at 40. So, pinapayagan na kita ngayong humanap ng partner mo.
See you
See you soon!
Diretso na pala. Yay! Surprise! Happy birthday, bro! Happy 40th! Sana nagustuhan mo yung hinanda kong surprise. Namin, lahat pala. Yan, ako lang nagbuo. Ayan. Kasi naisip ko, wala ka dito eh. So, nag-isip ako ng paraan how to make you feel special on this day. Kahit malayo kami sa'yo, may paramdam namin na kami ay malapit. Ay, ba't ako naiiyak? Ayan. So, happy birthday, bro! Si Kuya actually is my, I look up to him. Sa kanya ko, bilang mahiyain ako dati nung bata ako, nakikita ko siya lagi sa school, kasi magkasama kami sa school. Ayan, nakita ko yung pagiging leader niya. Siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na maging leader din. And, ayun, maging maboka din, kahit papano. Yan, kay kuya ko, na-inspire ako sa kanya bilang isang estudyante, bilang isang tao, at paano makitungo sa kapwa. Kasi si kuya, ano yan eh, ma-PR talaga yan. Parang, everyone knows him. Yan. So, kaya, ayan, kaya gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat. Everything, mula nung bata pa tayo hanggang ngayon, thank you. Kasi, ayan, we have each other's back, tayong siblings. Kaya, yan. Please know that andito lang kami para sa'yo. Thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo at mga padala mo lagi. Yan, wag mong itigil. Ayan, I love you, bro. And gusto ko na rin mag-thank you po sa lahat ng nag-send ng video greetings kay brother. Thank you so much po. I truly appreciate it. And of course, kung ako naka-appreciate, I know si kuya ay sobra pa, baka umiiyak na siya ngayon. Thank you po. Success ang ating surprise. Video greetings for today. Happy birthday, bro. Love you.
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.